Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this app is not compatible with your store on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So to fix this, there's a few different ways what we can try. So the first thing we need to do or check is check your Shopify plan. So some apps only work on certain plans. For example, Shopify, Advanced or Plus. So now to do this, go to your admin.shopify.com, sign in and click on the settings. Now inside of settings, go ahead and click onto the plan tab. You might need to go ahead and upgrade your plan inside of here. Okay, so how to check your app region restrictions, and we can change store country on Shopify. So now to check if the app is available in your country, go to the Shopify app store and then search for the app you're trying to install. So for example, if I want to check out Smile, the loyalty program rewards. So from here, just go ahead and scroll down the app page until you find a section called app availability or built for your business location. It will show the supported countries or regions. If your store's country is not listed, the app won't install. And another thing what we can do when we do search the app store, and you will see say these ones here are not compatible, so ShipRocket Smart Cart. So what we need to do is click into the application, and then as you've seen on the other one, it is compatible, but if it isn't, it's going to say the app isn't compatible with your store. Go ahead and just simply click onto that, and it's going to show you the reason why. So this app isn't compatible with your store. ShipRocket Smart Cart is only compatible with stores that have a business address set in India. So if you got your business address set in India, that's going to change this, and then you are going to be able to use that up. So basically, whatever the issue is, it's going to show you the issue, and to fix it, it's going to show you exactly how to do it. If you're not sure, just basically go ahead and just copy this and just chuck that in ChatGPT, and that's going to show you how to fix that directly, whatever that error message is. And now another fix that we can do is make sure your store is not a development or trial store. As you can see, I'm just on a trial plan here. So basically, some apps don't support dev stores or free trials. So if you are on a partner development store, just go ahead and upgrade to a paid plan. And yeah, you can do that by going to settings and plans, etc. Now, another thing we need to do is make sure you're logged in as a store owner as well. So only the store owner can install certain apps. So you can check that out by going to settings here. And now once we're inside settings, go ahead and click onto users, and then you got roles and security, and be able to check what roles and security you got going on inside of there. So yeah, make sure you are the store owner for that to work. So another thing we can do is contact the app developer as well. So I'm back to this ShipRocket Smart Cart. This isn't compatible with your store. What we can do is scroll down, and then they've got support here. Just go ahead and click on get support, and then basically message the developer and see if they can confirm whether the app is restricted by region, your plan doesn't support it, compatibility is temporary box. So just go ahead and just basically say what your issue is, and then give them, a couple of days to get back to you to help you out. Now, if all else is lost, just basically contact Shopify support. So go to the Shopify Help Center. So go to help.shopify.com, sign into your account, and then go ahead and click on that chat with us button, and just basically say that you're getting the error of Shopify, this app is not compatible with your store, and send any screenshots as well, and then they'll get back to you and help fix your issues.